Hello, I am Umi Shafika and welcome to my last video presentation. In this video presentation for assessment for persuasive speech, I would like to present my topic, which is deforestation and intrusion to animals' haven. The planet Earth is 4.54 billion years old, and we humans share this lovely planet with another 8.7 millions of other species. Do you know that the total weight of all ants in the world is equal to the total weight of all humans in the world? This claim was made by Edward O. Wilson, a Harvard University professor, and Bert Holdobler, a German biologist, in their book in 1994. Human and nature lives in harmony for a very long time. However, humans are becoming more greedy and exploiting the nature for their own benefits. This is an image of Lake Oroville, California, which is taken by NASA in 2010 and 2016. We can see that the level of the water decreased significantly in just 6 years intervals. This is one of the examples of the effect of global warming, which is getting more serious as the years pass by. And this is another example of the effect of human greed. It takes 1,000 years to grow trees in the forest, but it only takes 6 days for it to turn from a large forest into a field of stumps. It is very important to save our forests because forest is a natural habitat for almost 80% of plants and animals. Forest is also important in producing oxygen for living things such as humans and animals to breathe. So these are some of the reasons why we need to save our forest. This statistic shows the forest loss in 2000 to 2012 in major forest countries. As we can see, Malaysia has the highest percentage with 14.4% of forest loss if compared to the other countries. We can see the forest loss in Peninsular Malaysia from this map. The yellow dot represents the forest loss in the year 2000. Meanwhile, the red dot represents the forest loss in the year 2012. As we can see from this map, the red dot is greater in number compared to the yellow dots. And this indicates that the forest loss in Peninsular Malaysia is increasing from the year 2000 to the year of 2012. Malaysia's government have taken serious action in order to combat the illegal logging. The National Forestry Act 1984 and Peninsular Malaysia Forestry Policy 2020 is some of the implemented methods to guide for the forest governance in Peninsular Malaysia. As a citizen, we can also do our parts in reducing the problem of deforestation. When shopping for groceries or personal items, bringing our own shopping bags are a wiser option. Paper bags are, without a doubt, is a lot better than using plastic bags because it is recyclable and it is biodegradable. However, there are not many people who are willing to go through the hassle of going to the recycling center to recycle the paper bags. And also, some paper bags are non-recyclable and non-biodegradable due to the laminated layer on the bag. So, by bringing our own bags, such as the cotton tote bag or non-woven polypropyl bag, we can reduce the amount of trees being cut down to make more paper bags. What will happen if we don't stop the problem of deforestation or forest loss? Well, as we already know, forest is a habitat for most animals. Destroying the forest meaning that we destroy the animal's home. And when there are no more forests for the animal to live in, they will take refuge to other places, and this action might lead them to invading the humans' residence. This is an example of a case where animal invades a human's house. In Hua Hin, Thailand, a wild elephant barged in a resident's kitchen in order to find some food. In Montana, US, a bear invades a house and runs amok before it gets tired and slept on a shelf in the laundry room of a resident's house. The palm oil plantation at my living area is also a victim of elephant rampage just recently, and this issue is still unsettled until today. Snakes are also another type of wild animals that is often seen in the human's residence. There are more than 15 times that snake slither in my house, and just last week there are twice of the incident of the snake invading my house. So, encounters with wild animals can be very dangerous to both human and animals. And these unwelcome encounters can be avoided by simply reducing the problem of deforestation. If we don't invade their home, then the animals will not invade our homes. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. So, we must respect each other's territory to live in peace and without being threatened by each other. And that is all for my last video presentation. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.